Welcome to Stress Management for Kids. In this video, we will explore how to help children manage stress through play and learning. Understanding stress in children. Did you know that children as young as 2 years old can experience stress? It's important to recognize the signs and provide them with the tools to manage it effectively. Why stress management matters. Stress management is crucial for children's overall well-being. It helps them develop resilience, improves their emotional regulation, and enhances their ability to learn and play. Introducing A Walk in the Jungle Storybook. Our unique approach centers around my storybook, A Walk in the Jungle, which combines developmental movements, sensory activities, and stress management methods to create a holistic learning experience for young children. Effective techniques and activities. In our program, we use a variety of techniques and activities to help children manage stress. These include mindfulness exercises, developmental movements, cognitive development activities, and play-based learning, all integrated within the A Walk in the Jungle storybook. Mindfulness exercises, teaching calmness. Mindfulness exercises, like deep breathing and visualization, teach children how to stay calm and focused. These simple practices can be incorporated into their daily routines. Developmental movements promoting physical and mental balance. The developmental movements from A Walk in the Jungle storybook help children improve their coordination and balance, which can reduce anxiety and enhance their ability to concentrate. Sensory activities, engaging all 8 senses. Our sensory activities engage all 8 senses, helping children to better process their environment and manage their reactions to stress. This child is exploring the 7 senses of touch, sight, hearing, smell, balance, awareness of body and space, and maybe the introspection sense of fear at trying something new. If the child ate the grass, that would include the sense of taste. Cognitive development activities. Stimulating the mind. Activities that stimulate cognitive development, such as engaging both sides of the brain at the same time, helping children to think more clearly and manage their emotions. Benefits of our program. Our Stress Management for Kids program helps children feel more confident, improve their focus, foster a sense of well-being, and develop the skills they need to navigate stress throughout their lives. Here is an activity from the storybook A Walk in the Jungle, called Listening Ears. This movement is said to help with memory, listening, focusing, and transitioning children from one activity to another. Acupuncturists recognize over 140 points from the outer ear to other areas of the body. Great when helping children listen and express their needs. Here we see a video of Paul Mackey, the author of Stress Management for Teachers, doing the listening ears activity.
On the inside rim and the pointer finger on the outside rim of each ear. And curl the ear down to the earlobe using the pointer finger along with the thumb. Bring the pointer finger and thumb back to the top of each ear and repeat several times. This movement helps with listening and focusing skills.
Once you know how to do listening ears for yourself, you can easily teach this to children as it's visual and fun, and this is how to do it. We simply read the storybook, A Walk in the Jungle, Stress Management for Kids to the children. We show them the picture and the movement. This activity has several purposes. It takes attention away from play and other activities while getting the children to focus and listen. In this video, we see Paul Mackey explaining how to present the storybook movement, listening ears to children.
Reading the story to children.
Read you our story. Hi, boys and girls. I am Nelly the elephant. Let's put on our listening ears. So these are our listening ears, just like this. So we're just going to pull our ears just like this so we can listen to us.
Introducing Calm Classrooms, a comprehensive approach to stress management for teachers and children. Calm Classrooms comes in 3 parts. The Stress Management for Teachers ebook, the Stress Management for Kids course, and the Learning Bridge paperback book and online course. The Stress Management for Teachers ebook is your go-to guide with easy-to-do movements for managing stress and avoiding burnout. Stress Management for Kids, by focusing on child-led play and developmental movements that activate the senses and both sides of the brain, we can equip preschool children with the skills they need to succeed, especially when they transition to early grade school. The Learning Bridge, bridging the gap from preschool play to grade 1 learning. This approach to education increases the child's cognitive development, sensory integration, and balance. It also gives children the essential skills they need when entering grade school. While Calm Classrooms is a comprehensive series, each module can be purchased separately. In teaching children, it's not just what you know, but the compassion in your heart that truly makes a difference. If stress management for teachers is of interest to you, then check out our ebook offer and Calm Classroom courses, or visit www.stressfreepreschool.com, or contact Paul at stressfreepreschool.com. If you want to help me in my mission to help teachers and children with stress management, then make sure to subscribe to the Stress Management for Teachers channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And watch the next video. The crucial first step in stress management for kids. How to help children feel accepted, confident, motivated, and empowered.